today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install a new speaker or audio output device on your Acer laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So normally if it's a plug-and-play device, like it actually has a physical connection to your laptop, or tablet, or desktop, it should automatically detect it and then automatically install the updates. If not, you may have to do it if it's like a wireless device or wireless speaker. You'd have to open up the search menu, type in settings, best result, should come back with settings, open that up, select the system tab on the left side, and then on the right, select sound, and then you would select where it says pair a new output device, select add device, and then you'd walk through the on-screen prompts of getting it configured for your Acer laptop, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.